In this video, we are going to solve exercise 10D of D4 7th edition, and we are going to start question number 6 because previous questions they are solved. They are in my playlist, so you can go to the playlist and you can have them. So this question is a very interesting one. This is a pyramid whose base is a square, and it has side 4 and 4. So total surface area is 176. So first of all, let me draw the net of this pyramid. Now this pyramid is in front of you. We have a square base like this, and when you will open this, so this triangle will fall on this side. It will look like something like this, whereas this slant height indicated by this dotted line is this one. So this is 4, 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 and this is h. You need to find this. Similarly, we have the same type of triangle over here, because this triangle will fall on this side and this one will fall on this side, and like this. So we have 4 symmetrical identical triangles like this one. Okay, so basically we need to find the slant height, and surface area is given. Okay, actually the surface area is area of this square, area of this triangle, this one, and this one. In short, the surface area is the area of all these shapes in front of you. So the total surface area is basically area of this square in the middle plus area of our triangles, and because these triangles are same, so their area can be obtained easily. Anyways, what is the surface area? This is given, you can see 176. So when surface area is 176, that is equal to area of a square, and you know this is 4, this is 4, so area of square is length into width, 4 into 4, plus area of 4 triangles, 4 into area of one triangle. What is area of one triangle? This one. These are same, so base 1 by 2 into base, which is 4, into height, which is h. 1 by 2 base into height, and they are same, so we have 4 triangles multiplied by 4. So from here 176 is equal to 4 into 4 16 plus 4, and this 2 and 4 can be simplified, it will become 2h. I need this one, I need h. First of all, move 16 over here. 176 minus 16 is equal to 4 into 2h. Okay, that is 160 is equal to 8h, and h will be equal to 160 over 8. Well, that is 20. And what will be the unit? Let me see. Obviously it will be centimeter. So height is 20 centimeter for this one. In part number 2, you need to find the volume of this pyramid. This is pyramid exactly. How you are going to do this? Let me draw this pyramid again. This is a square base pyramid, so draw a square. I will try to have it fine like this. This is your pyramid. Well, you know this slant height. This slant height is known. This is 20. Well, this is whole is 4. This one is 4, while up till it's 2. Up till center, if this complete is 4, up till this point to center it's 2. So you need this height, this one. So if you can observe, we have a triangle over here like this one. This is slant height, this is this length 2, slant height is 20. What is the height? You need height of this pyramid, and then you can find the volume. So this is right angle triangle. and this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So 20 square is 400, 2 square is 4 plus h square. Now that will be 396 is equal to h square, and when you will take a square root on both sides, so height will be almost, that is 20, 19.89 will be rounded off to 20 centimeter. Now if height is 20, so volume of pyramid is base area into height. Okay, let me add one thing over here. This is 1 by 3 into base area. Well, that is 1 by 3 into base area. That is, no, base area is this square base. We have square base pyramid. This is a square. So 4 into 4 into height is, I have approximated this value 20, it was 19.8. So your answer will be 1 by 3, 4 into 4, 16 into 20. Well, that will be nearly equal to 106 centimeter cube. So this is the answer for this part. Next is question number 7, and I would say that it is very interesting. A cylindrical jar of diameter 14 centimeter and depth 20 centimeter is half filled with water. We have a cylindrical jar like this. This is a cylindrical jar, and this is half filled with water, right? We have water over here. This is water. Okay, now the dia is 14, and depth is 20. Okay, now what happens when 300 spherical ball bearings of same size are dropped into the jar? We have spherical ball bearings, and they are 300 in number, so we are dropping them inside the jar. What will happen? The water level will rise by 2.8 centimeter. The water level will rise by 2.8 centimeter if you will drop these ball bearings in it. Now the rise is 2.8, and we have 300 ball bearings, spherical ball bearings. You need to find the radius of each ball bearing, expressing your answer in millimeters. Now the point here is that we need to find the radius of each ball bearing. Actually, the formula for the sphere, because the balls are spherical, is volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for volume of sphere, and we have 300. So actually the volume for that will be, what will be the volume is what? Volume is basically area into height. This is volume, area into height, and that is equal to 300 because we have 300 balls. 4 over 3 pi r cube. So I have divided volume into area, height. Area into height is volume. Area of what? Actually the area is this base area. If you want to find the volume, so base area will be multiplied with height. Actually the base area is this one, this is over here, and the height is the rise in water level. This is 2.8. so volume of the 300 ball bearings, these 300 ball bearings will have the volume equal to this one. Base area is of cylinder, we are dropping them in cylinder, so base area is of cylinder while height is the rise in water. So volume of this section is basically volume of these 300 ball bearings. So base area is, it is a circle, diameter is 14, so 3.14, that is pi into r square. R is 7, diameter is 14, so radius is 7. And what is height? Height is 2.8. 2.8 is the rise. This is height. I am calculating volume for this section. because this section has raised because of the ball bearings that we have dropped inside. So the volume of this will be equal to volume of ball bearings, no? Okay, that is equal to 300 over 3, this 3 over here into 4 into 3.14 r cube. We need to work on it. 300 and this will be cancelled. Let me calculate it. So you will multiply them, you will get 430.80, and you will multiply these numbers. 300 over 3 is 100 into 4, 400 into 3.14 is 1256. So r cube is 430.8 divided by 1256, and that will be equal to, and when you will take cube root on both sides, cube root on both sides will give you 0.7 centimeter. However, we are going to express it in millimeters, so centimeter can be converted into millimeter by multiplying by 10. So 7 millimeter will be the radius of ball bearing. So radius of the ball bearing is 7 millimeter. Well, part B for this question 7 is a metallic sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter is melted down. We have a sphere, we have melted it down, and we recast that into small cones of radius 3.5 centimeter and cone height is 3 centimeter. How many of such cones can be made? We have a sphere that is melted down. So first of all, volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi is 3.14, r of sphere is 10.5. So 10.5 cube will give you 4846.59 centimeter cube as volume of sphere. This is melted. Now volume of one cone, volume of cone is 1 by 3 base area. Base of cone is circle, so area is pi r square into h. Pi is 3.14, r of cone is given. You can see this. This is 3.5. 3.5 square into h of cone is given, 3 centimeter. So volume of one cone is 38.465 centimeter cube. Number of cone will be equal to volume of sphere divided by volume of cone. Volume of sphere is 4846.59. Volume of cone is 38.465. Well, that will give you 126 number of cones. This is solution up till question number 7 of exercise 10D. Subscribe for more lectures. Thank you so much.